I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select SureForms as a trigger. Choose a form. Next, search and select Insightly. Give here an API key and API URL. Below the API URL, there is an example of the API URL. Follow the instructions, go to the Insightly dashboard. Copy your site's API URL and paste it on the integration site. To obtain the API key, please navigate to the Insightly dashboard. Click on the profile, then navigate to the user settings. Scroll down, copy the API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. So go to the Insightly dashboard and navigate to the contacts. You can see that the data has been successfully received in Insightly. Thanks for watching.